Need to change how the Windows firewall handles your network connections? You can manage several firewall settings directly from Windows Security. In this guide, I'll show you how to adjust basic settings, allow apps, and access advanced firewall controls safely. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app, then choose Firewall and Network Protection. You'll see your available network profiles and their current firewall status. Choose the network profile you want to manage. Windows normally uses profiles such as domain, private, or public. Select the profile that matches your current connection, then review its firewall settings. Inside the selected profile, you'll find the Microsoft Defender firewall switch. Keep it turned on for normal protection. If you temporarily disable it for troubleshooting, turn it back on as soon as you're finished. So, avoid leaving the firewall disabled. If an app needs network access, you can manage its firewall permissions. Return to Firewall and Network Protection and select Allow an app through firewall. Choose Change Settings if required, then review the apps and network types they're allowed to use. If the application isn't listed, Windows may let you add another app. Select Allow another app, browse to the program, and add it to the allowed list. Only do this for software you trust. For more detailed controls, select Advanced Settings. This opens Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Here, you can manage inbound rules, outbound rules, and connection security rules. To create a rule, select New Rule and follow the wizard. You can create rules for a program, port, predefined option, or custom configuration. Before changing an existing rule, check what it controls and why it exists. If your firewall settings become confusing or something stops working, you can restore the firewall to its default configuration. Use Restore Firewalls to default from the Firewall Settings area. Remember, this can remove custom firewall rules, so use it carefully. And that's how to change Windows firewall settings. Keep the firewall enabled, only allow trusted applications, and be careful with advanced rules. When you're unsure about a setting, it's safer to leave the default protection in place.